I'm trying to teach my cat. You can't teach a cat about mathematics and geometry. But I'm gonna try to... This cat was abused by a little 4 or 5-year-old girl and has PTSD. And I got blackhead cat that's up here. They're now sisters from a different mother, almost like a brother from a different mother. But they're female cats. But I wanna make this cat kind of be like a dog, to where this is mine. That's mine. You can't get it. You can't get it. What's that? My cats like Q-tips. They play with them. I get this like little gooby weird thing where I pet them. It's like it makes, it's like it's soft. It's satin. Get you. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get that tail. It's gonna get that tail. It's gonna get it. There, it's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. It's gonna get your tail. What's that tail? What's that tail doing? What's that tail doing? No, I want to know what that... Stop that tail. Please comply. I'm like a kitty cat tail cop. Stop that tail from waggling. Stop eating Q-tips. No, they don't eat them. They play with them, actually. My cats love these Q-tips. Like, let's see if I can find another one. Alright, these are these cat toys. Like, dogs have dog toys. These are my cat toys. And yes, there is a unused, but the cats play with it, Q-tips. They love it. So, and I have not seen them eat them, but they fucking throw... Oop, I said that word. But they throw them around and play with them all the time. They actually seek them out where they know where I keep them. There's just like, I want a Q-tip. I want to play with a Q-tip. Play with a goddamn Q-tip. It's universal stuff. It's funny. To me, at least.